Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off RGB lights on your Corsair M65. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the iCUE, which is the Corsair app. We're going to click on our mouse right here, and here we have the lighting effects. It will automatically be here once you click on your mouse. Here we have the lighting layers. And now lighting layers are basically what makes our mouse go over and just change the colors. So how do we remove it? We click on three dots, click on delete, so you can delete everything. And now the RGB is completely turned off. So that's how you guys can turn off the RGB lights. Of course, if you want to do it without deleting them, you can just go over and let's say you have some colors, you're just gonna lower them, and of course they are saved. As you guys can see, now they will be white, but you just disabled your RGB lights. Of course, the background color also should be gone, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.